Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp unable to backup messages problem on WhatsApp. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, go to apps, go to manage apps, search WhatsApp application, tap on WhatsApp application. Again click on storage, click on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your WhatsApp application latest version. You make sure your WhatsApp application is up to date. Step 3. Again open your phone setting, tap on Wi-Fi. Check your internet or mobile data connection is stable. Step 4. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps to fix unable to backup messages problem on WhatsApp. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.